Hey, welcome back everyone. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, and I know that some of you are, today we got something really special going on. We're going to go to an area, it's called the Historic Locks of Chambly. And it's one of the locks that's still in use today. And we're gonna go around the locks, and then we're gonna go down to a pier. So we're going to fly this large area. Obviously I prefer to fly the Mini 4 Pro when it comes to trips like this one, and we're going to see how well it performs. All right, let's do this. Okay, so we're going to take off in a few seconds. There's a lot of people using this path. There we go. There's quite a bit of wind, and they were saying that the wind gusts are like 40 kilometers. It's about what, 20 miles, 22 miles per hour. And yeah, it's kind of pushing me to the left. Let me just realign myself here. There we go. I just wanted to get familiarized with the location because I've never flown here, and then we'll just extend the flight. Oh, there we go. I just got pushed by the wind into those trees. Wow. So when I started off to get here, it was a sunny day, but as we were getting closer, the clouds were moving in, and sure enough, it's cloudy, but it's still beautiful. You can see here that the locks are still being used. There's a couple of boats waiting to get to the next level. We'll head back the other way now. Oop, there we go. We got the wind working with us now. We've got the tailwind. So I considered bringing my Avata 2 and possibly the Neo, but I thought for this location I'd rather use something that's more appropriate, like you know, the DJI Mini 4 Pro. It can handle you know, the wind. It can handle the distance that we need to cover. This is where I took off from, and you could see me on the by the bench there on the right side. My wife is standing there with me, or sitting. And that's the town of Chambly right there. There's a pier on the other side of this lock system, and we're gonna fly right past that and go around the other side of the coast. So here we go. So this bridge that we're coming up to, it raises to allow, you know, the boats through once they pass the lock system, or to even enter. So here's that pier I was talking about. It looks like there's a couple more locks once you pass the bridge. So here we're losing a little bit of the signal, so we'll just like circle around here and bring it in closer. Overall, it's a beautiful day. The temperature is nice. We got some headwind going in this direction. We'll just do a little zooming here. We'll zoom in a little bit. And there's that castle I was alluding to. Right on the tip there. There's actually people there, and apparently you can get guided tours. So we'll head straight down the coast here. So I'm not sure if I wanted or if I would live around this area. I know I had heard back in 2011 there was a lot of snow that melted quick. There was a lot of snow that melted quickly and caused a flooding. So exactly which areas were affected in this location, I'm uncertain, but I don't know if I would be living by this particular location. So we're losing the signal once more. Then we'll just like turn towards the other direction and make sure we get our signal back. Oh, there it goes. It's coming back. Looks like they're controlling the river on this side of the coast, on this coast. Boy, I tell you, you know, there's nothing like, you know, a DJI drone to kind of put you in the spirit or in the mood to fly. This little DJI Mini 4 Pro is really capable, and I'm just curious what the Mini 5 Pro is gonna, you know, bring to the table. By the way, that's the actual waterfall sound. I pre-recorded. I had to get close to it to record the sound. I like, you know, experimenting and finding new locations and, you know, exploring. But I was able to record some of the sound of the falling water to add to the video. I can't get enough of these rapids. I plan to go and take a look in the town and see what's going on with the preparations there with the artists, the singers, and all that. I'm not going to be staying here very long though, because I think that starts later on this evening. I think it's time to head back. We'll start heading towards home. You know what? We're just gonna hit the return to home button and bring it in. That's it. We're coming home. Now I have to be cognizant of the people traffic, because there's a lot of bicycles, people running, and what have you. So, and the location, I mean, the location I took off from is probably not one of the best locations. There's a lot of wires, poles, etc., fences. So need to be cognizant of that. You'll see what I mean when we get closer there. Let's reduce our altitude. I think I'll take it in manually here. So we're around that, yeah, the fence there, and you can see the wires and the poles. I mean, there's quite a bit going on in that area. The electrical substation there. Bicycles going and coming and going. I had a good time here. I hope you enjoyed it. Hey, there's a lot of people that come visit my channel that are not subscribers. Please consider subscribing. That's really going to help my channel. Appreciate you all. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.